Hello everyone, this is Srimati from Team iThought. Today we are going to discuss about why you should invest with a plan and what's new at iThought in terms of financial planning. Financial planning is an excellent tool to begin your investment journey with. I would say it's like a starter to begin your meal course that you cannot miss, right? Through this video, I am going to address 5 important advantages of beginning your investment journey or having a plan as part of your investment journey. Generally, there is a myth that financial planning is only for wealthy people or who have goals in their life, but it's really not so. Even if you do not have financial goals, financial planning actually gives you options to explore. If you're someone with goals, then financial planning gives you roadmap for your structure. So what is covered in a financial plan? It's not only about investments, right? All the aspects of your personal finance like your tax, your debt management, your insurance, A to Z of your personal finance will get covered in a financial plan. It's basically a document which is going to be a reference point. What are the advantages of doing a financial plan? First is that it is an assessment that you do. Before you begin your investment journey or even at some part of your investment journey, you would want to know where you stand. You've been doing certain investments, you don't know whether you're doing it the right way. So financial planning gives you a kind of a health check or assessment for your investment journey, saying that okay, whatever you're doing is right or something is not right. Basically, it gives you a thumbs up or it says that you need to correct some things, right? The second advantage of doing a financial plan is that it gives you a sense of direction. When you're going to drive a car, you always think what is your end point. Sometimes you may go without an endpoint in mind, you might just go for a long drive, but mostly you will have a direction to go towards. Similarly, when you're doing your investments, financial planning gives you the sense of direction. You know that you have certain goals in mind and you have certain time frame in mind and you plan towards that. There comes the third point, that it gives you specific time horizon to expect for. What do I mean by that is that, let's take an example of today's scenario. There is a sense of purpose behind your investment when you do a financial plan. Today, most people have got pay cuts or somebody has lost their job. Many people do not know how to handle these emergency situations. Let's take person Anil and someone else called Sunil. Let's say Anil did a financial plan. He would have handled the situation better because he had a plan in place and he would have created an emergency reserve as part of the plan, so he could have handled the COVID situation better by withdrawing the funds from his emergency reserve. But in case of Sunil, if he didn't have a financial plan, probably he should have withdrawn the money from his equity portfolio. That could actually take a hit on your equity portfolio, right? It loses the value of compounding. So this is just a small example of how investing with a time horizon and purpose could actually serve you better in the long run. The fourth point about financial planning is that it gives you a sense of security and it does not actually tie you with a return expectation as an equity investor. Usually when you're an equity investor, you tend to undergo panic and anxiety situations, seeing the market go up and down. But when you have a plan in place, you have a clear return expectation and a time horizon. Let's say you're planning for your child's education. You know that you have 12 years and you have like 9% return expectation, for example. And you wouldn't panic looking at your portfolio saying, oh, it is negative. Oh, I am losing so much money. You are at your peace knowing that you are able to achieve this money or you will be able to achieve this money in the set time frame. Lastly, the advantage of financial planning is that you get a financial planner who can handhold you and support you through your journey. When you have a financial planner, you can get an unbiased opinion on your personal finance. You can always have the answer for, am I doing it the right way? You also need to assess what you're doing on a regular basis if you don't have a financial plan, and mostly it will be biased because it is your own finance. When you outsource this decision, it's always better and you feel a sense of confidence and security that there is someone else who is taking care of your personal finance, who is continuously reviewing and monitoring your personal finance. And that's exactly what is new at iThought. We have a retainer financial planning model at iThought where we constantly monitor, review the progress of each and every financial plan, and we are always hand-holding our clients to make them understand what is going right or what can be implemented better. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to consult with a financial planner or if you want to talk to us, we are always open. Please drop a comment below or message us. We are always happy to meet you. Thank you.